Hello everyone, Namaskar, this is Chef Sudipta and I welcome you to my channel Cuisine Lovers, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Now I will be preparing a dish of Maharashtra and Gujarat where it is very famous. It's called Shrikhand. Shrikhand, for this, the best part of this preparation is the curd. We require a completely dry hung curd. How to prepare it? You take the curd, you keep it in a muslin cloth or even sometimes it is called a cheesecloth. Keep it in this, tie it nicely and hung it at least for 6 to 8 hours. For getting the best effect, at least you should keep it for 12 to 14 hours. And then the water which contain inside the curd, it is called whey, it will drain out and you will get this kind of completely dry, nice hung curd. This is the best part which we need to take care of while we are preparing the Shrikhand. The best part is you need to take the best quality of curd. Curd should have a high quality of fat content in it and it should be completely dry. So hung curd is the best thing. I take this hung curd. You need to see the quality. It should be just dropping in consistency. Now I'll add the sugar, castor sugar. So I'll chop some raisin. I'll chop some almond. I'll take some cashew nut now for chopping. Now some pistachio to be chopped. This small quantity which I am taking it out and keeping it in a small bowl. This is for the purpose of presentation I will be using. Now 1 pinch of salt to enrich the richness of the Shrikhand. I'll add a spoon of cream, some saffron milk, 1 pinch of cardamom powder. You need to give a good mix. To mix it very nicely. So almost it is done. So what I will do it, I'll just keep it inside the refrigerator for half an hour. Once it is cold, I'll take it out, I'll do the presentation and we will serve it cold. So after half an hour, I've taken out from the refrigerator. So let us do the presentation. I'll do it little unique way of presentation. I'll take this Shrikhand, nice cold Shrikhand, in the piping bag. I'll serve it in this earthenware mold. So it is already been piped. We will now decorate it with some chopped nuts, saffron, So our Zafrani Shrikhand is ready. Enjoy the dish, it will just melt in your mouth. If you like, hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you. Happy cooking.